How's it hanging, YouTube? This is King of Feral Imps, and I went ahead and finally was at Target and saw this here. It's been a while since I opened any Bionicle. I just opened up Kopaka because I was so excited to have my favorite Toa back, and saw this, figured I'd open it, build it. So anyway, just looking at him, he's pretty neat. Now that he's all built, he's got a good look. Although this is one of the cheaper ones, so he is substantially shorter, especially when compared to Kopaka, who doesn't even fit in the frame. But you know, who's supposed to be the one he's fighting. Of course, the reason I got this was because it did come with the corrupted Kopaka mask, which I'll go ahead and try out now, see how that looks on Kopaka himself. Looks pretty nice. Fits, of course, with the whole ice and everything. Let's go ahead and replace that. Now, in the advertisements, this spear thing, supposedly it's built like this to grab a mask from behind, like so, and pull it off, which is a pretty neat feature. Let me go ahead and try that out. This is weird. Yeah, so it does work. Of course, the shield wasn't in the way. You could easily grab it and corrupt it like so. But anyway, as far as the Skull Warrior himself, he does look neat. The build wasn't too bad. It took me about 5 minutes, give or take. But yeah, of course, like I said, it is a shorter set. It does look a little odd, of course, being all skeletal and minimal, but that fits the theme and everything. Of course, from like a Mockist standpoint, these are some neat pieces, the new skeleton pieces, which I do like. And yeah, weapon does look cool. It actually does look like a bow and arrow. And of course, if you turn it, it actually does shoot. And the Lego studs go scattering everywhere, which I'll have to pick up now. But anyway, yeah. Try and pose this in a cool way. So anyway, yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed the content, remember to subscribe. Also leave a like and a comment to show your support. This has been King of Feral Imps. Have an ice day.